Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to edit Word documents in Canva. If you want to transform your document into a more visually appealing design, or make a quick edit, we will guide you step by step on how to upload and edit it easily. Now, let's get started. On your Canva dashboard, we will start by uploading the document. We just need to click Create on the upper left part of the dashboard. Once we're there, we just need to click Upload. Then here, we will upload our file. Next, we will choose the file we want to upload. Here, we have a Microsoft Word file. We will double-click it, and as you can see, it is now uploaded. We will click it to open and edit it in Canva. Now we can start editing. We can add pictures, large text, and text animations to make our Word document look more polished and presentable. Once we are done editing, we can download it by clicking the download button at the top of the screen. We just need to choose the format we want. We can choose a text or PDF format. Since we are working with a Word file, we will click Download as DOCX. Once it's done, as we can see here, our document is ready. We have successfully edited our Word document in Canva. Now we can enhance our documents with creative designs and share them easily.